Hello, we got ourselves today the Apple Airpods Pro. They're in white, as you can see. Just arrived today. We're gonna unbox it right here, right now, so let's go. Okay, time to unbox it now. So, that's what we're gonna do. Apple logo, info, serial number on the bottom. Not gonna show it. Okay, well, there's your AirPods right there. But before we do any of that, it came with a square. You guessed it, that. What does it show? Shows you how to set it up, how to pair it, instructions, safety handling stuff, all kinds of other stuff, warranties, and stuff like that. I'm not sure. If you feel cautious, you may want to look into Apple Care. That's for every device. I'm not sure. So, yeah, here we go. AirPods right here. Take this thing off. As you can see, they change. Well, I'm not sure. I've never owned AirPods before, but it reminds me of the watch charger cable. So yeah, that's what they look like on the inside. See that? They got the other one. Should say, yeah, right here. Take a look. Left and your right. And it glows green. Well, it should have glown green. Put that back. Put you back. Oh, and these, you can change them out. So yeah. So the AirPods. Now, we're not done here yet. Open that up. First, this is all. Okay, what is this? I was shocked when I saw this too. These let you change out the rubber parts on the earbuds. So I guess if you have different size ears, you can use it. And here's the cable. They changed the cables just like, wait, did they change them? Yeah, they did. You got your lightning drive, I think that's what they call it, to plug it in here. Charge it, lightning drive, your standard iPhone. And then you have this new one, which reminds me of the charger cable for the watch. So to handle that, I brought here a Belkin power block. If you watch my Apple Watch video, you'll know what's up. So yeah, it has a new cable thing for the iPhones. You get this on Amazon, that's where I got it. So this is the new one. Remember, the lightning's over here. This is the new one, just like the Apple Watch. And put it in. Now you can charge your AirPods to the wall. So yeah. Now I'm gonna show you what they look like on a person wearing that. Okay, left, right. This is mirror so you can see. In, there you go. Not sure if you can see that. That's the right side. That's the left side. Yeah, that was all. Thank you for watching.